Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see this lip vitiligo pigmentation cover up. So we are making a lip complete pigmentation on his lip, both the sides. So the process has been started now. We are now trying to match his exact skin tone. To remove the darkness, first I am going with the little more like a Santotina base. Once this Santotina base got success, then I'll be proceed with the exact skin tone of his lip color. I'm doing with the exact skin tone of his lip color. As you can see, this process will be taking at least 30 minutes to 1 hour of procedure. It's completely depends on how your skin is observing. If your skin is a little more sensitive, then there are chances of small swelling will happen, but that light swelling will be goes off after 2-3 days. No need to worry about that. If your lip is not much sensitive, then there won't be most of the time there won't be a swelling. And especially in this video, we are doing it on the corner of the lip. So obviously corner of the lips used to be more lighter and sensitive, so that's the reason why whenever we're doing it on this corner of the lips, there are chances small swelling will happen, but that swelling is completely normal and it will be get reduced after 2-3 days of the duration. You don't need to worry at all about those color pigments. So in this video we are talking about much more how we are bringing this output to the next level. So if you have any doubt, please do contact us. Our contact number is on the display. Please do contact us. Our team will be help you out. And we are making a video on a regular basis. Do subscribe our channel. Our team will be help you out how to proceed this more further. And we require our clients to be book an appointment and then come down. So in that way we can be able to give the better and perfect output. So please book an appointment and then come down to the studio, or else there are chances artists might not be available at that day when we come here, because we are receiving clients from all over the world. So please book an appointment and come down. So we have matched it with the exact skin tone, and we'll meet up in the next video. Don't die.